So maybe you have faced this situation before where you have a method and you have two different variables and you wanted both of them to be returned. So what you usually do is to create a class and return that class instead of returning the two variables. So let's see how that's done. You have a class with the two variables, you instantiate it, you pass the values, and then you return it. Then here you would get a string and int, and then pass the string here and the int here. But it's kind of a big waste of time having to make all of this for something that you're going to use only once. So actually there is a better way. It's something called a tuple. Let's see how that works. So with a tuple, you can open and close parentheses, and inside you add all the types of variables that you need. And you identify it with some kind of name, and to get and set the values inside, you write item 1, item 2, item 3, based on the position that those variables are inside the parentheses. Also, when calling the method, you don't need to write a whole new tuple here. If you already have the variables, you can just put the variables inside the parentheses here, and the values will be correctly assigned if they are in the correct order, of course. So let's just make sure it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.